Elka Design begins with the vision. Our journey begins in the world of creation, where advanced 3D printing technology transforms designs into tangible prototypes. Every curve and contour is precisely crafted, embodying functionality and elegance. The prototyping process allows us to perfect every detail, ensuring that the final product not only meets, but exceeds expectations. From prototype to production, our commitment to excellence continues. Precision-molded small parts pave the way for mass production, where quality meets quantity. We use state-of-the-art technology to ensure that each component is produced with minimal tolerances and superior quality. Every step of the production process is carefully monitored to maintain our high standards. Each part undergoes a meticulous cleaning process, ensuring an immaculate base for further finishing. This crucial step ensures that every surface is perfect, ready for the magical transformation. Cleaning is not just an act of aesthetics, but a crucial step in ensuring the durability and strength of the final product. At the chrome plating stage, our products receive the final touch of sophistication. This layer not only enhances aesthetics, but also provides a lasting barrier against wear and corrosion, encapsulating beauty and durability in every design. Chrome plating is an art that requires precision and attention to detail, ensuring that each product reflects our dedication to quality. Finally, at Elka Design, we join all components together in-house, ensuring perfect alignment for seamless functionality. Each product is carefully assembled by our experts, who verify the seamless integration of each part. Our completed products are then stocked, ready to not only deliver a product, but a promise of quality and innovation. Our warehouse is organized to ensure efficient handling and quick shipping, bringing Elka Design's excellence directly into the hands of our customers. Elka Design, where elegance and excellence flow relentlessly. Each product is the result of a rigorous and passionate process that aims to exceed our customers' expectations and redefine industry standards.
Elka, Italian design, marine faucets.